In this video, I will show you how you can mirror a sticky in the PR planning app. Tap on the sticky once, then tap the More Action button. If this is a sticky you are allowed to mirror to another board, you can find this mirror button here. Tap it and select the board you want to mirror it to. This exact sticky now exists on two boards at the same time. The team board or the program backlog board is always the origin board of the sticky notes you can mirror. Be aware, if you delete it on one of these boards, the mirrored sticky and the original will be permanently deleted. This is also the reason why a sticky is automatically created on the team board when you create a mirrorable sticky on the program board. Now, if we drag the sticky note into another iteration, it gets updated on the program board as well. If we drag it on the program board into a swim lane of another team, it disappears from our team board and appears in the other team's team board. Be aware that if the sticky note is synchronized with Jira or Rally, the corresponding Jira issue or Rally work item got deleted and recreated in the other team's Jira project or Rally project. And that's basically it, what mirrored stickies are and how you can use it. If you have any questions about why a certain sticky note can be mirrored to a specific board, reach out to your RTE. It's very likely there is a good reason why he configured it the way he did. If you need general help, reach out to service@rentouch.ch anytime, and thank you for watching.